Finally, Google officially revealed the Pixel Fold 2, or I would say Pixel 9 Pro Fold. There are a couple of things we noticed, and some things are left unchanged on Pixel Fold 2. This is the official teaser of Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and the most prominent feature we see is the new AI integration on the Pixel Fold 2. Although as per confirmed sources, this is a new Gemini Advanced built-in for the upcoming Pixel devices, but the catch is, it will only be free for only 1 year. The Gemini Advanced solely subscription costs us $20 per month, which is $240 a year. Apart from this, looking at the design of the Pixel Fold 2, it is exactly same as what leaked before. Although people pointed out some serious concerns about the cameras in the Pixel Fold 2, it seems like Google is going with the same camera setup as the last year, which was obviously a budget camera setup on a $2,000 phone. Completely not acceptable, although the internals are not confirmed, but what we heard so far is not good. Apart from this, the design is I would say confirmed. I will share real-time images later in this video, but even looking at the teaser, this phone looks bigger and I would say a much wider display compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Speaking of the design, this is the first ever real images of Pixel Fold 2. This would probably one of the biggest foldable phone we get in the market. I'll share dimensions later, but looking at the design, it reminds me of OnePlus Open, or I would say exact same copy of OnePlus Open in terms of cover display and the inner display. The hinge is slightly outwards just like the OnePlus Open, but the display is completely rounded. Although the cover display dimensions looks exactly like a candy bar phone, which is why people would love to buy the Pixel Fold 2 over Galaxy Z Fold 6. The inner display is also changed massively. Now one would argue that the crease on the Pixel Fold, the first generation was not that bad. Well, it was. And the Pixel Fold 2 would fix this issue. The crease is way less visible on the Pixel Fold 2. Even when we compare with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Pixel Fold 2 gets a less visible crease. Google's this product is inspired by Chinese foldables, and that's a good thing, giving us a wider cover display and a much bigger inner display. The display size and cover display size was revealed a month ago from none other than Ross Young. According to Ross Young, a display supply chain consultant, Pixel Fold 2 don't have the display sizes right. 8.02 inches for the foldable display and 6.29 inches for the cover display. Panel production starts in April. It is coming. This is a weird design we might see on the Pixel Fold 2. It was expected we may see a 6.4 inches cover display and a 7.8 inches inner display. But this was wrong. Instead, this display will be huge from inside, massive 8 inches. Just for context, Z Fold 5 has a 7.6 inches inner display, and even Fold 6 will going to feature the same display. There's an interesting thing. The display is close to OnePlus Open, 6.31 inches cover display, and a 7.82 inches inner display. Even bigger inner display compared to OnePlus Open. There are a bunch of things yet unclear, like weight of a phone. If they increase the size, the weight of the phone will increase. And can we see a Gorilla Glass armor on the cover display? This is just a mystery. Although, Google is near to making one of the thinnest foldable phone, around 10.54mm while folded compared to 12.1mm on previous Pixel Fold. On this note, if you find value from this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.